Warmer. Warmer is an exercise which is usually done in the beginning of a lesson. In order to make the students listen to the teacher, it is the best way to start the lesson. Therefore, sometimes a warmer is also called a starter because it is going to start the lesson. It is a good exercise to make your students alert and attentive towards you in order to have a good lesson. So, the warmer is an activity which can be very useful at the beginning of the lesson to make your students motivated and also interested in the lesson. Also, it can be just a joke, it can be relevant to the lesson which is going to follow, or it could be something very different like any short story, or maybe sometimes a little song for the students to enjoy, and therefore they become more attentive. Here we are going to show you a video clip in which the teacher is going to start a very serious lesson on reading and comprehension, but before she does that, she starts it with a warmer. It is also a kind of a starter for the lesson. And you will notice how the teacher is very clear about her instructions. Even if the teacher has to begin a warmer or a starter, she still needs to give very clear instructions to the students to understand what the activity is about. The teacher should not take it casual because it is just a starter or just a warmer or just a joke. Still, the teacher needs to give the clear instructions to the students so that the students become accustomed to listen to the teacher and pay attention to the clear instructions. So please make a note of that when you have a look at the video clip. Another thing that you need to note is how the teacher is managing group work, how she divides the class into 3 groups and makes them feel that there is a sense of competition between all the groups. Therefore, each group will try the best to be better than the other. So basically, they are also working in groups, but at the same level, they are also working as a whole team to compete with each other. This sense of competition also develops in the students a team spirit. They also know how to work together in a group, and they also learn how to compete with the other teams and still maintain the code of conduct in the class. This elaborates in their lives when they go in the field and they know how they have to compete with other people, keeping the standards of team spirit alive. So please watch in this video clip clear instructions given by the teacher, group work which is also instructed by the teacher to be divided into group and work together, and then look for the sense of competition for what they are striving to be really good and compete with each other. So please note down all these points while you watch this video clip.
All right. Okay, so I'm going to read out a little poem to you. It's called What If by Shel Silverstein.